2003 Nissan 350Z. And then when I bought it, it already had a good amount of work done to it. But it also had a lot of problems. I bought it with a cold air intake, a plenum spacer, a throttle body spacer, lowering springs, a full exhaust except for the headers. It's a catless single exit. I believe Megan Racing is the brand. And I'm not a big fan of it, but I'll get to that shortly. And I've already done a good amount of work to this car, but I've definitely got a lot more before it's good. The biggest problem is third and fourth gear synchros. Yeah, they're pretty crunchy. So that makes it not very fun to drive because it's constantly crunching and crunching. But I already bought a new transmission for it. I'm going to put it in this week, hopefully. And then it had valve cover oil leaks into the spark plug tubes and outside of the valve covers. So I got new valve covers, put those on, painted them red because red's the fastest color. I bought wheels for it. They are Avant-Garde, I believe they're called Ruger Mesh. They're 19 by 11 for the rear and 19 by 8.5 in the front, running 295s in the rear and 245s in the front. I'm very, very happy with them. They fit awesome. They're super meaty, which is exactly the kind of fitment I was going for. I didn't want like stretch tires or anything like that. I wanted them big and fat. So they look awesome. The interior is missing a few pieces. It's got all these rattles. That's not very pleasant, so I'm going to go through and find all those. This exhaust is very, very droney and very, very raspy. So I don't know what I'm going to do about it yet. I don't know if I'm going to get a new exhaust system or if I'm going to add a muffler or something. That's just not my main concern right now. I don't have too much to say about the car. I mean, as more videos come out, you'll see more and more about the car. But this video was recorded on multiple different days. Matt and I went to do a cruise during quarantine. So you'll see that next. And you'll also see an issue I had that I fixed. I felt very dumb when I found the issue, but after putting the valve covers back together, I didn't put the plenum back together right. So I found that and fixed it, thankfully. So you'll see that. But other than that, I just really wanted to kind of introduce this car to the channel before videos start coming out on it. Also, I think I found, maybe, I don't know, there's like a 50-50 chance. I might have found another car I'm gonna buy, which is kind of exciting, but not super exciting. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos on this car. I'm gonna record the transmission swap we're doing, and then we'll make some other videos on it as well. So this is what I mean when I say I don't really have room to go lower. There's literally maybe an 1/8 of an inch between the fender and the wheel. So I mean, even when you hit bumps, it's gonna touch and stuff. So I gave it a quick wipe down before we go take pictures tonight, and I just got that dropped off to me. We're doing a bags install on this, and I'm probably gonna record it too. So right now is like 3 days in the future to when I last was videoing this. Quarantine cruise didn't happen because the Z stopped working right as I left. I thought it was a cam sensor because I found one of the cam positioning sensors was not plugged in all the way. So I just got a new sensor in today, and it wasn't that. So started looking a little bit deeper, pulled off the upper plenum. Found all of this coming out of just one cylinder. All the other ports were closed, or didn't have anything coming out. And it smelled like gas to me, and I was kind of confused as to how gas would get into the plenum. So I took it apart a little bit more, and I found the suspect. I've got a plenum spacer, and it has these little washers for the bolts that go right here. One of them has made its way into my head. So right now I'm just praying I don't need new heads, because that would suck. So I'm gonna try and get it out somehow. And yeah, I guess I'll keep you guys updated. We're still gonna do a quarantine cruise though. Not gonna miss out on this chance. So hopefully we can get the car running in time. Got here. He's going full straight pipe on the Focus.
We got a down pipe though.
So he's chopping off his resonator, already has a muffler delete, and then what, just cats and, is that it? Just cats?
It's just cats in the down pipe.
So we'll also get some nice exhaust footage today too. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this together, and hopefully it'll be back and running today. Okay, so I've gotten everything back together now, and this is gonna be kind of the moment of truth. We'll find out if I damaged those valves and I'm gonna have to rebuild the head. I was sure to be careful that the 6 bolts in the middle of the plenum actually made it through those spacers. And I put a little bit of gasket maker on them just to hold them in place while I was putting it back together as well. Alright, so this is the piece I just welded up a couple adapters on for Matt. He chopped out a resonator straight from the downpipe to the rest of the exhaust, which is just straight pipe right out the rear. So all he'll have is the cats in the downpipe. So if you're interested in seeing that, I'll leave that video tagged in this one. But for the 350, we actually drove it down to O'Reilly's. It's running good, and when it was running, I couldn't hear any clicking or anything coming from the head, so I don't think that that valve's bent. So I think we lucked out on that. So we just got done taking some pictures at the parking garage, and I can't even vlog because Matt's over there revving. But I think this is gonna be the last spot that we take pictures at tonight. But I mean, look at this. There's literally no one out anywhere. As a cop goes past.